There seems to be no end to the BJP-Sena deadlock. Sources now tell Times Now that the BJP has refused the Shiv Sena's offer of contesting on 119 seats in the assembly elections. The BJP says that they will not accept anything less than 130, while the BJP has put the onus on the Shiv Sena. The Uddhav-led party has also refused to budge, saying that they are prepared for any eventuality. Megha now joins us live. So how is this going to work out? Things seem to have finally reached a break point. Neither side is willing to budge. Which one is finally going to call it quits, Megha?
Well, that's a big question. Both the sides keep telling us time and again that we are not going to be the ones who will be calling off or breaking or walking out of this alliance. Let the other one do. And this is a stand that both the parties have been taking for the last, I would say, 7 days. From the time that the situation came to such a head that it seemed as if it was almost difficult for both the sides to go back, and it seemed as if the ties are almost about to snap, and that's the situation that still continues. But when it comes to this question, both the sides keep telling us that we are not going to be the ones who will walk out of this alliance. Let the other one do, because we don't want to send a wrong signal to our electorate that we are the ones who snap the ties. We don't want people to feel that way, that we ended a 25-year-old long relationship with the other one. So who's going to blink first is a big question. But right now, as of now, the situation is this, that the meeting of the BJP core committee is currently on at the residence of one of the top leaders of the BJP here in South Mumbai. And secondly, of course, the Sena is watching with bated breath as to what BJP comes out with, what is the outcome of their own meeting. We've been told that the BJP may not come to a final conclusion, may not take a decision today, may leave the decision taking for the party central leadership in Delhi, but certainly convey whatever they have discussed today. Now, off record, of course, we've been speaking to leaders from both sides, and both of them say that right now the situation is such for them that both of them are ready to fight on the entire 288 seats, that both of them are ready to go it alone. The Sena, I was speaking to one of the top leaders late last night. He said that, enough of drama from the BJP side. We are not going to take it anymore. We will probably give them 24 hours time to adhere, or rather agree to the formula that we have come to, which is like 119 for the BJP and 169 for the Sena. And if they don't agree to it, then we are prepared to walk out of the alliance. But that's not something they want to say on record. Of course, on record they'll say something else, that it's Swabhiman and our self-respect is more important to us than the seat sharing. The BJP on the other side is not willing to budge for anything less than 130. They're saying that if we get 130, we're okay with it, but nothing less than that. So the
absolutely neither side willing to budge, Megha, and both of them setting deadlines for each other. Just stay on with us, because let's play out for our viewers what it is that Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut told Times Now.
कल की मीटिंग में इस प्रकार की कोई ऑफ़र हमने नहीं दी है। हमने सिर्फ हमारी कोर कमेटी की मीटिंग में और पार्टी चीफ उद्धव ठाकरे जी को ये पूरा अधिकार दिया है कि अलायंस के बारे में जो निर्णय लेना है उसके सर्वाधिकार आपके पास है। जो भी उचित फैसला है महाराष्ट्र की आत्मसम्मान का, हमारे स्वाभिमान का और शिवसेना प्रमुख बाला साहेब ठाकरे जी के विचार का, वो आप इस बारे में फैसला कर सकते हैं। किसी भी हालत में हम हमारे आत्मसम्मान से कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करेंगे। लेकिन महाराष्ट्र में शिवसेना बड़ी पार्टी है, रहेगी। भारतीय जनता पार्टी का जब निर्माण नहीं हुआ था तब से शिवसेना महाराष्ट्र की राजनीति में है, आगे भी रहेगी। अलायंस हो या ना हो उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है। महाराष्ट्र में मुख्यमंत्री शिवसेना का रहेगा और महाराष्ट्र में सबसे बड़ी पार्टी शिवसेना रहेगी।